Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today said that he will never get his daughter married to a man who has already 3 to 4 wives. Speaking at a campaign in West Bengal, Sarma claimed that in his conversation with a Muslim woman, he learned that the woman was lamenting about her husband getting married after 10 years of their marriage. He kept on sharing his encounters with different women who shared their woes about polygamy, a practice which involves a man marrying multiple women. A zero FIR was lodged regarding the renaming of a section of the Tangching Hill Range to Tangting, marked by a gate inscribed with Kuki National Front Military Council. The area within the Churachandpur Kupum Protected Forest holds historical significance, protected under the Manipur Ancient and Historical Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1976. Under Secretary Mongol Jao Kemai requested this action citing violation of the Manipur Names of Places Act 2024. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh reiterated the government's commitment to address such activities, emphasizing legal actions under the said act. The issue sparked widespread concern, underscoring the importance of preserving historical and cultural landmarks. Thousands of tea garden workers from Moran took to the streets in a massive protest against the government of India, the government of Assam, and the Andrew Yule Company. Demonstrations were held in Bamunbari and Kawang tea estates, where workers expressed their outrage over anti-labor policies and poor working conditions. Protesters set fire to effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, Labour Minister, and the Chairman and Managing Director of Andrew Yule Company, signaling their frustration and anger. The Tripura Pradesh Congress Adivasi Committee, the indigenous wing of the Tripura Pradesh Congress Committee, met the Chief Secretary of the state, Jitendra Kumar Sinha, today, urging him not to implement the Citizenship Amendment Act in the state to protect the interests of the indigenous people of Tripura. The body of a 54-year-old man reported missing was discovered today floating in the Umayam River and Umroi Nongra, Riboi district. The deceased, identified as Ron Cooper Masar, resided in Umroi Jabteng within the same district. Masar, who worked as a junior engineer in the Water Conservation Department of the Meghalaya government, had gone missing from his home since yesterday 4 a.m. during his regular morning jogging, according to police reports. Widespread rain and thunderstorms are likely in the next couple of days over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. A low-pressure area is expected to form in the SW Bay of Bengal in the middle of the week. While moving northeastward, it has the potential to develop into a depression around Friday in the Central Bay of Bengal. A Singapore Airlines flight operating from London to Singapore was hit by severe turbulence, causing the death of 1 person and injuring 30 others, the airline confirmed. The aircraft, carrying 211 passengers and 18 crew members, diverted to Bangkok due to this. We are working with the local authorities in Thailand to provide the necessary medical assistance, the airlines added. A Delhi court has framed charges against the former chief of the Wrestling Federation of India WFI, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, for alleged sexual harassment, intimidation, and outraging the modesty of female wrestler. The charges were formally pressed on today after Singh refused to admit guilt, opting for a trial to contest the allegations leveled against him by multiple female grapplers. The court has also charged Vinod Tomar, the erstwhile Assistant Secretary of the WFI, with criminal intimidation in the same case.